Here I have a 2008 Jeep Commander. It's got the 4.7 liter. It was throwing up a code, I will post it in the description, of a small leak, and come to find out the evap canister had a plug in it. It was plugged up. So come down by your driver's side. Here's your massive evap canister. Yeah, the Jeep's not even jacked up. It's that easy to get to. You can start by removing there's two 10mm bolts, and with this one it gets stuck onto this screw because it was so rusted out. Just take it all out. It'll come right out of the evap canister. Your new one will come with the replacement. Then you start by removing this hose. This hose clamp is broken, but there's a little yellow piece. You'll have a full yellow strip where you can pull up, or this one I can just push it in, pull the old one out. Then you got your return hose up here. All you do is pull this off. There's a plastic peg. Like that. That's what the plastic peg will look like. And then right above that plastic peg is just a electrical connector. Push back, pull out. Now, once you have everything on the front of the evap canister taken out, you take a long flathead screwdriver, pull this back until these pop out, and then this front canister, you just pull straight up and it just drops down. And that's how you replace an evap canister.